So here's a video on how to set up hardware acceleration for your media player. So in my case, I'll be using PotPlayer because it supports hardware acceleration. Not all media player supports it, so you'll have to check if your media player supports hardware acceleration. So here I have a video that is 2160p, which is kind of like 4K. So by default, if I'm using the default settings and playing this video back in PotPlayer, it's going to be extremely laggy and my computer is going to lag out. So as you can see right here, my mouse is skipping, the video is not that smooth, CPU is at 100%, integrated graphics at 100%, but my dedicated graphics is doing absolutely nothing. So this is why it's lagging, because the Intel graphics can't really handle these kind of 4K playbacks. So in order to get a better experience, you have to turn on your dedicated graphics. So once you set your program to use your NVIDIA processor, you'll also have to go into your media player, and then you'll have to go into your settings. So I just press F5, so preference F5. So in my example, PotPlayer, you can go under preferences, filter control, video decoder, codecs, and here I can use use DXVA, so it's hardware acceleration. And once I've done that, video playback will be extremely smooth. So you can see video is smooth, CPU usage is not at 100%, and integrated graphics is still doing a lot of the work, but a lot of this work is now offloaded to your dedicated graphics. So now the video is a lot smoother and it's a better viewing experience.